Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer domain from Weebly to Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Wix, click on the sign up option. And from here, you can continue using your Google account, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now I need you to do the same thing with Weebly. Log in to your account. If it's your first time here at Weebly, click on the sign up option. And just like Wix.com, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, transferring a domain from Weebly to Wix can be motivated by several factors because Wix offers a highly flexible and intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing for more detailed customization and creative control over your site's design compared to Weebly. Now, Wix has a robust app market right here with a wide variety of apps and integrations. Now, this allows users like me to add advanced features like chatbots, marketing tools, and e-commerce enhancement with ease. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to transfer your domain from Weebly to Wix, and one of them is go directly to the Weebly dashboard. For example, this is your website or your domain that you have purchased from Weebly. All you have to do is click on publish. All right. And from here, for example, don't have a custom domain yet. All you have to do is you need to upgrade to a paid plan to use a custom domain. Otherwise, you can just use the Weebly subdomain, which is going to be right here. All right. So remember and to copy all of this information and click on change. Now, while setting up your domain, please remember that now, once your site has been published, all right, this one. Now, once you are here on the main menu of your Weebly account, I need you to go to the website and click on domains. Now, from here, as you can see, you can buy, connect, and manage domains associated with your site. Obviously, we're going to connect it to, or we're going to transfer our domain to Wix, which is just click on the connect domain here. And of course, all I have to do is find a custom domain, which is going to be your Wix. And from here, this is going to be my business site URL. I just have to copy that and go again to my Weebly dashboard. And after that, all you have to do is search and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're set. Now, another option that you could take is the cart-to-cart migration, because this is one of the platforms that allows Weebly to Wix migration without having any technical skills. All right, because all I have to do is just choose the domain, and that's going to be Weebly, and you're moving that to your Wix website. So here, as you can see, you can connect and source your target cards, select the data to migrate and extra options, and launch your demo full migration. All I have to do is just click and try for free. And here are some ways to perform migration from Weebly to Wix. You can have automated migration, data migration service package, and a lot more. All right, so I've tried this in the past. It's very easy because you don't have to basically need a troubleshooting or a technical skills for you to be able to migrate Weebly to your Wix website. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.